Jerry again with Sky Management. Today we're going to give you a quick rundown of how to remove some pesky mollies that somebody left. They're kind of drywall anchors that they've driven into the wall to hang something on so it's a support. You can't very well patch and paint over the top of this, but you have to remove it. And you've got a couple different ways to do that. One, you can either just drive it back into the wall and then patch it and then paint over it and texture it, which we'll show you in a different video. Or the other good way to do it is to take a screw, put it in there, and then pull it out using a pair of pliers and pull it back towards you. And if you can do that with one of these plastic ones, it sometimes is easier and causes less damage than trying to drive it back into the wall. So come have a look, we'll see how well it works. Okay, what we have here is one of these plastic wall mollies that we talked about. And what you're going to do is just take a simple screw, like a drywall screw or wood screw, and put it into the end of that. And just using a screwdriver, just give it a couple small turns, just enough to grab inside that plastic. You don't want to drive it in too far, or what will happen is it'll spread the backside of that, and when you try to pull it out, it's going to create a real big hole. But once you can feel that it's grabbed, you grab a pair of pliers, and you can grab it on the end, and just try to wiggle it a little bit and pull it out. And it'll just come out of the wall like that. And now you're ready to go ahead and patch and fill that hole.